Have you been thinking about a career transition lately? Do you feel you have a knack for solving problems based on data and are proficient in mathematics and coding? And also, do you want to apply it in your domain? Voila! Because today I bring you an exclusive session where I will explain you how successfully you can transition your career from human resource management to data science. Before we proceed, I would like to share a famous quote with you. Carle Florena, in 2004, the then CEO of Hewlett Packard, once said in her conference that the goal of every organization must be to turn data into information and furthermore, information into insights. She received immense recognition for her contribution and her quote was then used to inspire millions of data science aspirants. What I wish to convey through this is that data has an immense role to play in our world. So without data, business would cease to exist in no time. If you decide to pursue data science as the path for career transition, you won't regret it. So, if you have taken up the decision to pursue data science as the path for career transition, you will not regret it. So let's start with what basic abilities are needed for this change. First, comprehending and creating a major chunk of the data. This includes reviewing all the measurements and making use of arithmetic. Second, make use of data visualization tools in order to generate insights. Examples of some renowned tools are Tableau, Power BI, Excel, and so forth. Third, working on people data and trying to form connections and patterns. For instance, raising an employee's salary is extremely crucial. Fourth, take various sorts of studies into consideration and try assembling data from them. Work hard on these points and you will definitely find yourself at an early advantage over those who are yet to catch up with these. In this section, I will highlight the most effective use cases of data science in the HR domain and how it may benefit you. So the first one is getting insights. Data can be utilized for gathering, handling, and sharing data about newcomers' abilities and experience. This data can be gathered from various sources. For example, social media networks, different decisions, and online networks. Information-driven algorithms can precisely break down accumulated data to change it into significant insights with respect to the polished skill and inclinations of a particular applicant. Next, we come to assessing future investments. Analytics assume a critical part in HR the broad just as most other corporate bearings. With data science, HR specialists can acquire different helpful assessments like the measurement of investment in finding latest and possibly required subject matter experts, investments in preparing the hire of new employees and cost per hire. Data science conveys compelling strategies for streaming forecasting, HR management cycles, and reporting. Therefore, assessing beforehand what you will be needing to have as an investment for future purposes. Then, we jump to workforce analytics and planning. Thanks to accurate analysis of the corporate workforce, data science permits the HR management team to more readily comprehend the fundamental needs of the organization and adequately screen key measurements. Thanks to the understanding of the competitors' character and goals of the organization, the HR team can quickly find and hire helpful experts and directly sway the overall accomplishment of an organization. One machine can do the work of 50 ordinary men, but no machine can do the work of one extraordinary man. Albert Hubbard. The aforementioned is a really powerful quote dedicated to every organization. Invest in HRM because this is going to be the pillar for every organization's success and at the same time for you data science aspirants from the HR domain as well. You have the capability to build a brighter future for yourself and the organization. Now, I would discuss the skills that are absolutely necessary for you to have if you are dead serious about data science. Non-technical. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is a valuable skill that easily transfers to any profession. For data scientists, it's even more important because in addition to finding insights, you need to be able to appropriately frame questions and understand how those results relate to the business or drive next steps that translate into action. It's also important to objectively analyze problems when dealing with data interpretations before you form an opinion. Effective communication is another skill that is sought just about everywhere. Whether you are in an entry-level position or a CEO, connecting with other people is a useful trait that helps you quickly and easily get things done. In business, data scientists need to be proficient at analyzing data and then must clearly and fluently explain their findings to both technical and non-technical audience. This critical element helps promote data literacy across an organization and amplifies data scientists' ability to make an impact. Proactive problem solving. You can't be a data scientist without the skill or desire to solve problems. That's precisely what data science is all about. However, being an effective problem solver is as much a desire to dig to the root of an issue as it is knowing how to approach the problem to solve it. Problem solvers easily identify tricky issues that are sometimes hidden and then quickly pivot to how they'll address it and what methods will provide the best answers. Technical. Ability to prepare data for effective analysis. Data preparation is the process of getting data ready for analysis, including data discovery, transformation, and cleaning tasks, and it's a crucial part of the analytics workflow for analysts and data scientists alike. Regardless of the tool, data scientists need to understand data preparation tasks and how they relate to their data science workflows. Ability to leverage self-service analytics platform. This skill falls in the line with the non-technical skills because it relates to critical thinking and communication. Self-service analytics platform helps you surface the results of your data science processes and explores the data, but they also help you share these results with less technical people. When you create a dashboard in a self-service platform, end users can turn parameters to ask their own questions and evaluate their impact on the analysis in real time as dashboards update. Ability to write efficient and maintainable code. This skill is almost a given. Since data science are knee-deep in system design to analyze and process data, they must also understand the system inner workings. There are many different languages used in data science. Learn and apply the languages that are most relevant to your role, industry, and business challenges. Ability to apply maths and statistics appropriately. Much like coding, maths and statistics play a critical part in data science. Data science deals with mathematical or statistical models and must be able to apply and expand on them. Having a strong knowledge of statistics enables data scientists to think critically about the value of various data and the types of questions it can or cannot answer. Finally, ability to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence. Neither machine learning or AI will replace your role in most organizations. Using them, however, will enhance the value you deliver as the data scientist and help you work better and faster. The only doubt you must have in mind is where and how to start this learning journey on the path of data science. Not to worry, we at Skillslash have got you covered with both the questions. Skillslash is a premier institute that provides world-class education on data science. It has been recognized as one of the finest institutes when it comes to online learning. So, what are the essential features of the Skillslash program? First, 100% live interactive classes. Second, industry leaders will be there as your mentors. 3. 3-year flexible subscription to ensure you don't miss out on learning because of any reason. 4. You get to work on real-time and live projects and Skillslash will be there to guide you so you don't feel that you are alone in this. 5. A project experience certificate by the AI company itself. So, invest in the present you so that the future you can be ready to face various challenges of life.